Hey everyone, and welcome back to Diamonds Hustle. Now, if you've been searching for a legitimate way to work from home in 2025, then this video is going to be for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 real companies that are actively hiring for remote jobs right now. Now, these roles come straight from the company's official job postings, and they cover industries from customer service to healthcare to tech. Some of them even list flexible schedules, great pay, and solid benefits. So, with that being said, go ahead and stick with me through the whole video so you don't miss anything. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right on into number one and see what this job is all about. All right, so first up is going to be with Smith.ai, a leader in the virtual receptionist service. Now, this is going to be perfect if you want predictable hours, a stable hourly rate, and remote work that you can actually do from home. Now, you're going to answer calls from different businesses, take messages, screen new clients. You're going to also book appointments, collect payments, and transfer calls as well, all with a warm professional tone. You'll also understand callers' needs and share relevant business info so every call ends on a high note. Now, some of the duties that you'll see on this screen is going to be a few things. So, you're looking at answering inbound calls, providing helpful info with empathy, schedule transfer, take payments when needed, document calls accurately, follow client instructions, multitask between tools while keeping a friendly tone. Now, as far as what they want from you is strong typing, right? So they're saying that they want someone who can at least do 40 plus words per minute is always going to be a good thing, and multitasking skills. So you should also have high speed internet, a quiet space, and a USB headset with the mic. Now, confident professional communicator, someone who's going to be tech comfortable, authorization to really work in the US if you're US based. And they also are going to do a background check on you as well. Now, the schedule for this opportunity is going to be 24/7, 365 with a set of 2 to 5 hour blocks. So you'll work at least one Monday shift and 25 to 40 hours a week total in this opportunity. Now, as far as the pay for this opportunity, you're looking at a $15 an hour rate for English. If you are bilingual, that's going to be $16 an hour. And then if you are living in Mexico, that's going to be $11 an hour. They also do have paid training healthcare for 30 plus hours a week, and they do have a referral bonus as well. Now, what's exciting about this opportunity is really it's super beginner friendly, predictable scheduling, and lots of industries. So your days aren't boring. If you speak Spanish, that's going to give you that extra edge as well. And then great for consistent remote income and building customer facing experience. So if you're looking for a receptionist type role that you can actually work with multiple industries, then this might be the opportunity for you. But if that's not what you're looking for, let's go ahead and check out that next opportunity. So, job number two is really going to be with Charlie Health. Now, they're on a mission and they are a mission driven company, a mental health company, expanding access to personalized virtual care. So, if you're empathetic, organized, and love helping people, then this is actually going to be the one for you. Now, a little bit about the role. Your primary, your Well, let me take that back. You're going to be the primary point of contact for clients and families after admission. So think welcome, support, coordination, and making sure clients stay on track through the treatment. Now, as far as your responsibilities, it's going to be a few things. You're going to be answering calls, emails, and texts, resolving concerns promptly, coordinate with admissions, billing, clinical outreach, utilization review as well. You're going to monitor attendance and proactively reach out on no shows, schedule and reschedule appointments, coordinate aftercare, and then you're going to also document all interactions accurately and really hit those service KPIs as well. Now, as far as the requirements for this opportunity, they're looking for someone who has that high school diploma or equivalent. Healthcare experience is a plus. Now, 2 plus years in a customer or patient support role or success is going to be great. Salesforce or similar CRM, plus contact center tools are going to be essential. Then emotional intelligence, multitasking. If you are familiar with HIPAA, that's going to be great. proficiency with Slack, G Suite, Zoom, EMR as well. And then this opportunity, they are saying, is not going to actually be available in all states. So if you see here, it's not available in Alaska, California, Colorado, Illinois, Maine, New York, or Washington. So really keep that in mind if you live in one of these states and are interested in this role. So they're paying 45 to 55K base, and that's really going to vary by your location and experience. They do also have a comprehensive benefit for full-time employees as well. Now, what's really exciting about this opportunity is you're not just answering phone calls, right? You're supporting care journeys. Now, if you want purposeful work and want to work from home with clear structure and impact, then this app absolutely is that standout opportunity. But let's just say Charlie Health is not for you. You don't want to work for healthcare. That is completely fine. Let's go ahead and check out job number 3 and see if it's that opportunity that you actually have been searching for. All right, guys, we're chugging right along. So, third is going to be from Hims and Hers. Now, this is a public health and wellness company as well. So, the ticker pretty much is Hims, right? Making care accessible and personal. Now, this role is for senior level performance marketing, and this is going to be perfect for data driven ad pros. Now, what you'll own in this opportunity is going to be a few things. As you guys can see, the compensation already, but I'll hit that in a second. Now, what you're going to really own in this opportunity is Facebook ads, strategy, budget pacing, optimization. You're going to build and present performance reports plus test readouts, partner cross functionally with product, creativity, editorial, and analytics. You'll also run rapid tests, analyze impact, and scale winners. And then you're going to work with meta reps as well. Also, creative roadmaps, in house plus agencies. Now, as far as what they want from you, it's 4+ years experience in strong Excel data analysis skills, Facebook ads manager expertise. That's going to be a hard requirement for this opportunity. Experience with Snap, TikTok, X, Pinterest, a plus. Tools like Looker as well is going to be a huge plus. And the improver record, managing 8-figure annual budgets. Also, they're looking for someone who has those skills. Excellent communicator who loves testing as well. Now, the perks is going to be one, compensation, 90K to 110K base, and that really varies on your location and also your skills. Now, they do have equity, unlimited PTO. I miss the days of unlimited PTO. Mental health days, 401k match, medical, dental, vision, off sites as well. Now, it's a high impact seat at a scale brand. So if you live for lift studies, love creative testing, and want to be really a steward with big budgets, then this is going to be a career move for you. Now, I do have another bonus one that I do want to share with you guys, which is going to be job number 4 before we dive into that main job with none other than FedEx. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. As you guys can see, the 4th job is going to be with a company called CVS Health, which I know a lot of y'all are familiar with. Now, this role is going to be for a work life resource consultant. Think helping members navigate real life needs from children, child care, elder care, to housing and financial resources as well. One of the things I do like about this opportunity is the work schedule. So start time is going to be 7:50 a.m. and 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, in this opportunity, you're going to take inbound and outbound calls, assess needs and research solutions, provide referrals to vetted community and national resources. You're going to educate members on how to use those resources effectively, document interactions thoroughly. You're going to staff chat when needed as well. And then some calls may be administrative, customer service oriented as well. Now, as far as the requirements, what they're looking for from you is someone who has that 1+ years of working with elder or adults with disabilities in resource assessment and referral, nonprofit hospitals, rehab as well, government agencies also. Now, if you're someone who has that 1+ years of social work, social service, case management, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. If you do have a bachelor's degree in social work or related health or social field, private, professional, on camera space, strong wired internet, comfortable with video, virtual calls, and digital tools. And then also, Spanish is a plus. Call center and Microsoft Office is going to be a plus in this opportunity as well. Now, as far as the pay, as you guys can see, it's going to be 21.10 to 49.08 an hour, and that really varies by location and experience. They do have medical, dental, vision, 401k match as well, PTO, wellness, tuition assistance. Now, this is going to be that meaningful remote work with structure and growth, ideal for people with a social service background who really loves helping others solve everyday challenges. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out that final opportunity. It's going to be with FedEx and see, hopefully, it's the position that you have been searching for with a great company. So let's go ahead and check that one out. All right, here we go, guys. And last but not least, right, FedEx. Now, this one's a manager sourcing dash IT role, leading enterprise wide sourcing strategies and complex vendor negotiations across tech categories. Now, as far as some of the things that you're going to be doing in this opportunity, is lead short and long term sourcing strategies aligned to the company's goal, drive complex negotiations with third parties, ensure cost effectiveness. You're going to provide corporate planning, analysis, project process leadership. You're going to also develop and mentor a team of professionals, partner with senior leaders, support system, and process improvements. Now, as far as what they're looking for from you, is someone who has that bachelor's degree in supply chain, business, finance, math, or related field. 5+ years in analytical, quantitative sourcing across multiple categories, program, project management experience, and proven leadership. Exceptional negotiation, communication, and stakeholder skills is going to be a great shoe in for this opportunity. And then they do say some of the preferred qualifications that they're looking for is going to be deep IT supplier landscape knowledge, TCO expertise as well. Now, as far as the compensation, as you guys can see, U.S. pay ranges are 9,786 to 13,212 a month, and then location or level dependent as well. This opportunity is going to be eligible for additional incentives, bonus as well. And then you do get that health, dental, vision, retirement, tuition reimbursement, remote considered based on business needs as well. And then this is going to be a senior leadership track at a global brand. So if you love strategic sourcing, vendor management, and enterprise impact, then this is a big, big career defining move in this opportunity. Now, with that being said, that is going to be your 5 opportunities for today, from entry level remote reception to senior marketing and IT sourcing leadership. There truly is something here for every stage of your career. Now, if this helped you, please hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment. When you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of these opportunities. Now, if you saw any of these opportunities, right? Please do comment below which job you're going after, plus what industry you want me to cover next. And then from there, I will go ahead and look for those opportunities. Also, I do want to say this video is for information and education only. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies, and I can't guarantee hiring or outcomes. Pay, benefits, and availability do vary by location and change over time. Always verify details on the official company career page before applying. Never pay for a job application or interview. Please do stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye.